Ever wondered how you could maximize your gardening space, especially when it's limited? Enter vertical gardening, an innovative solution that not only maximizes space, but also increases yield and enhances your garden's aesthetic appeal. Stay tuned as we dive into some clever vertical gardening ideas you can implement today. Ready to transform your gardening space? Here's how. Let's dive into the world of vertical gardening, where the sky is the limit. First up, hanging pots. All you need are sturdy pots, ropes or chains, and a secure place to hang them. This method is perfect for plants like spider plants, English ivy, or ferns that love to drape and cascade. Next, consider creating a pallet garden. You'll need a wooden pallet, landscape fabric, a staple gun, and your choice of plants. Succulents, herbs, or flowering annuals work well here. Simply staple the fabric to the back of the pallet, fill it with soil, and plant away. Now let's think outside the box. How about using a shoe organizer? Yes, you heard right. Choose a fabric shoe organizer, fill each pocket with soil, and you've got a great home for small herbs or flowering plants. Finally, installing a trellis can add a touch of elegance to your garden. Trellises are perfect for climbing plants like roses, clematis, or even some vegetables like cucumbers and tomatoes. Just secure your trellis in the ground or against a wall and let your plants climb to their heart's content. As you can see, vertical gardening is not only practical, but it also adds a unique touch to your outdoor or indoor space. Now that you've seen how simple and effective vertical gardening can be, why not give it a try? These ideas can revolutionize your green spaces, especially if you're tight on room. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening!